Hi, I'm Ruben Sinclair. I'm a Director of Cybersecurity with Micro Focus. And today we're talking about cybersecurity as it relates to IoT, or the Internet of Things. Now, one of the first questions we have to ask is, how do we ensure that IoT devices have the right access to the right resources at the right time? Now, access security is something that Micro Focus have done for many, many years. And our NetIQ suite can manage the identities of massive numbers of people and devices. These capabilities help our customers understand their identity relationships so that they're able to separate those things that matter from the rest of the noise. Our solutions provide identity management, access management, privileged user management, single sign-on, identity tracking, and Active Directory administration. So regardless of where a user or device is, how they authenticated, whether the service is internal or in the cloud, they are able to access the right information when and how they need to. Staying with access control and access management, enterprises should also think hard about how they reduce the attack surface. And one of the ways to do this is by the encryption of data. Micro Focus product Voltage Secure Data is one such product that can help you with this. What it does is it helps you to encrypt data at source so that sensitive data is only accessed by those who are authorized as data travels across the IoT network. And in the event of a breach, that sensitive data can be desensitized so it's not able to be revealed. The next item we're going to discover is that there are some trends in cybersecurity within IoT that are important today. The main trend is to use machine learning and artificial intelligence to help solve security problems. This is exactly what our Intercept product does. We can extend user behavior analytics to devices as well as human identities. And as we know, early detection using anomaly detection is extremely important for breach defense. Next, we want to ask ourselves how Micro Focus can help our customers make sure their IoT applications meet quality, security, and performance expectations from the business. So organizations should always ensure that they have a robust software testing regime for their applications as they are being developed. One such product is LoadRunner, a popular testing tool from Micro Focus. LoadRunner is used to test applications measuring system behavior and performance under load. We also provide software vulnerability scanning via our Fortify suite of products. Now, Fortify can be used on-premise or as a service in the cloud. As we move to a secure by design culture, it is ever more important that we design and build security into our products at the earliest stage of the life cycle possible. Lastly, I would just like to cover how Micro Focus can help customers managing the enormous amount of IoT devices and events across their estates. And this really relates to IT operations management, ITOM. So with the huge expansion in the Internet of Things, the number of smart devices and connected sensors is becoming a challenge for all organizations to manage those devices on an operational basis. Our inventory discovery tool is relevant here, and it can help discover hardware devices in your environment and tell you not only the device operating system, but the device family, the model, and the applications that are running. Secondly, for configuration management, you can use our CMDB tools, and they will ensure that IoT devices are configured in line with policy. Importantly, policy can be set to override device manufacturer settings or local protocols. So if there is insecure devices coming out of manufacturing environments, we can override those settings and make them secure. Lastly, you also need to be able to monitor and maintain the health of your devices right across the IoT network. So if you have a device that is, for example, consuming more resources than you think is normal or than is healthy, is very possibly an early indication of compromise. Micro Focus Operations Bridge provides infrastructure monitoring that alerts you to those risks, allowing you to investigate and remediate them. Thank you for listening. I'm Ruben Sinclair, Cybersecurity Director with Micro Focus.